Custom audiences. Hey there again, folks. We are one step closer to teaching you how to set up your first Facebook remarketing campaign. And because remarketing campaigns require you to first find leads whom to remarket to, you'll need to learn to set up custom audiences before creating remarketing campaigns. In this video, we are going to teach you where to locate your custom audiences in the Ads Manager, and how to create a basic custom audience to retarget the website visitors that you are tracking with your remarketing pixel. Start on the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard and click on the Tools hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. Now go to the Assets column in the display menu and click on the Audiences shortcut link. You will be taken to the Audiences page, where you will be able to check, create, and edit your target audiences. To manage and create custom audiences, you'll simply have to click on the Create Audience drop-down menu and then to click on the Custom Audience option. So before we get started, let's quickly discuss what is a custom audience all about. A custom audience is simply an audience made of people that have an existing connection or relationship to your business. Such an audience can be made of people that have bought from your online store before, people in your email lists, people who have visited and viewed content on your website, or simply people who have engaged with your business before in one way or another, and that you can retarget ads to on Facebook. As you can see here, there are several interesting ways to remarket to people in a custom audience. You can retarget people in a customer file, which will allow you to target people according to customer or subscriber information saved in a file. You can retarget website traffic, which means that you can retarget to people that have visited your website. You can retarget people by app activity, which are people who have used your Facebook apps. You can retarget people by offline activity, such as people that have bought from your offline store, or that have provided you with a phone number for doing business. Finally, you can retarget people by engagement, which are people that have interacted with your content on Facebook. Now, we are going to give you an example of how to create a basic custom audience by selecting the Website Traffic Remarketing objective to create a list of who have visited our website using our Facebook pixel. Once you select the Website Traffic objective, you have to start by selecting whom to add to your new custom audience based on your retargeting criteria. You can either include people who meet any of your retargeting criteria or people who meet all your retargeting criteria. Now you have to select the retargeting criteria. You can retarget all website visitors and enter how many days after they have visited your site you will keep retargeting them. You can retarget people who have visited specific web pages on your site to enter a specific URL from your site from where to track your visitors. Now, this will allow you to qualify interested visitors according to content or actions taken by visitors on those pages. Lastly, you can retarget visitors by time spent and select a percentile of time spent by visitors on your site. You can click on Include to include additional retargeting criteria, or on Exclude to add criteria that excludes visitors from being retargeted if they take action on your excluding criteria. After you finish selecting your retargeting criteria, name your custom remarketing audience in the Audience Name field, and then click on Create Audience. Then click on Done. Awesome! You are now ready to use this new remarketing audience on a new Facebook remarketing campaign. Tune into the following video so we can show you how.